This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and please subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link, this Telegram group link, I will provide you in description box. Let's start job update. Our first job from Modi. Modi is hiring for software engineer intern and location is Gurugram, Haryana, India. Okay. After this internship, you have you have also received full time opportunity for from Modi and role is software engineer intern and this is all about Modi. Annual revenue 5.5 billion, investment 7.4 million, and employ around the world 14k plus year of strict 100 year of experience in this IT company and your role and responsibility is deep understanding of oriented design like programming language. You you must familiar with NoSQL database. You must knowledge of C++, Python, or any other programming language like Java. And after that, how to apply the job? You have click here, apply now, and you fill all the detail. Our next job from Optum. Optum is hiring for associate data engineer analyst. He is hiring for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and job category is technology means technical hiring. And implement activities interface analysis, interface design, development and delivery, interface validation, interface go live and transition to support. Okay, and you must have knowledge required qualification like you have completed your graduation or equivalent degree, knowledge of HL7 version, HL7 version 3, CDA. You must have knowledge of SQL, TSQL and XML. After that, how to apply this job? You have simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job from Keka. Keka is hiring for product analyst from Gurgaon location and experience need 1 year of plus of experience you must have need and your role and responsibility is develop data driven business insight and a narrative to identify opportunities, generate new hypotheses and define product strategy through a deep understanding of data for customer or business. And the requirement you must have need 0 to 2 year of experience. If you are fresher, then you are also eligible to apply. And if you are 1 or 2 year of experience, then you are also eligible to apply for this job. And you must have knowledge in advanced SQL, Excel, expertise initial understanding of Python, ability to give you more pointer. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply for this job and you fill all the details. Our next job from S&P Global. S&P Global is hiring for data analytics analyst and location is Hyderabad, India. Category is data management and job required ID is 284736. You have mentioned here and you fill that. And this is your responsibility and all and all. And how to apply the job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And this is for fresher opening. Then so please apply for this job. And our next job is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for analyst, analytic, and behavioral insight. And the location is Hyderabad, Telangana. And position is analyst ABI. And role is analytics behavioral ABI. Location Hyderabad and business unit is Global Talent Operation means Deloitte USI is hiring for this role. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply now and you fill all the detail. And thanks for watching this video, guys. And all job link provide in description box. Please check it and apply accordingly. Thank you for all.